What's going on? It's Charell The Forex King, and we're back with another video. Back with another live stream video. But before we start, you already know, I got to give you the word for today. Galatians chapter 6, verse 9. Galatians chapter 6, verse 9. Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. That's a very powerful scripture. So basically what it's saying is, when you put in the work, say you keep on putting in the work, keep on putting in the work, keep on growing, keep on learning, growing to get better. Don't get weary because you don't see results automatically. Because if you keep on putting in the work, putting in the time, then something suddenly is going to happen. But it's going to be on God's time. So you got to plant. You got to water that plant. You got to let it grow. And then boom, you will reap the harvest. So that's very powerful. Don't get impatient. Trust God's timing. It's not going to be on your time. It's going to be on God's time. So keep putting in the work. Keep putting in the time. And keep going. And you will reap the harvest. Give me my likes. Give me my subscribe. Give me my comments. Give me my likes. Give me my subscribe. Give me my comments. So let's get to the charts. Oh, gold. Let me see who gold. Let me see something. Let me see. I'll write this down. Right quick. What that price is. Okay, we got gold going up. Let me see. Did my NPM trade command go off? Let me see. Did it go off? Let me see. We got NAS going off. What time is it? 7:04. 7:04. We're gonna wait a little bit. So this New York session just started, so gotta be patient when it comes to this. See the MGC, NPM trade command buy, and that's for futures. That's for futures gold. So that went off. We need this to go off. The gold, the regular gold. This is the futures side of gold. So we need this to go off. So you gotta be patient when it comes to this. You have to be patient. Gotta wait for this NPM trade command to give that signal. It's that easy. You have to be patient. Hey, what's up, Cam? What's going on, Cam? So you gotta be patient. We're looking at gold. Gold looking. Let me see. Let's go to the monthly. Let me go to the monthly right quick. See. Let me see something. Oh, I like it. I like the way it's looking right there. I love the way you do that right there, right there. So it's looking good right there. So what this is, let me explain to you. If you know your patterns, if you know your patterns, I cannot keep on stressing this enough to y'all. I cannot keep on stressing this enough to y'all. You have to learn and know your patterns. I can't keep on stressing this enough to y'all. I really I'm gonna keep on putting it in y'all heads multiple times. I'm gonna keep on saying the same stuff over and over again till it get through y'all heads. Y'all gonna keep on watching my live streams and I'm gonna keep on saying the same thing over and over because y'all gonna get it through your heads. You have to know your patterns. You have to know your patterns. You have to know price action. You have to know market structure. So this right here tells it all. What is that? What is that? If you know your patterns, I know what it is. If you know your patterns, what is this right here? Can somebody tell me? I know what it is. You got to know your patterns when it comes to this. Okay, let me explain to you. I'll just type it in. Type it on the text. Let me see. Put in the text. Boom. I can't say I didn't give y'all nothing. Boom. So study this. You have to know this. You got to know your pattern. Can't say I didn't give y'all a gift. Y'all got to study this. You got to know this. You got to know your patterns. Morning star. This is a morning star. Morning star. So a morning star potential up to the upside. Morning star. That's a pattern. There's different patterns. There's different candlestick patterns. You didn't see it. What did you mean you didn't see it? You said you didn't see it. I'll make this bigger. Let me see. Move this. You can't see. What are you saying you can't see? Make this bigger. Bam. You see what I'm talking about? I'm talking about this. That candle right here. That candle right there. I'll even circle it so y'all can see it. Let me see. Get this out the way. No, this one. Right there. I'll circle it so you can understand it. So now you know this is the candle. This is the candle that we're looking at right here. This is the candle that we're looking at. So if you know your patterns, and which I teach this in my NPM Academy, you have to know your patterns. Also, it's very important that you that's the futures side of the signal. If y'all see the let me know if y'all see the XAUUSD and it say NPM trade command. Let me know. Just shoot it in the comments or whatever. So what I was saying, but if you say a buy, NPM trade command XAUUSD buy. But anyway, let's get to back to this. So you have to know your patterns. You have to know your patterns. Morning star. This is a morning star candle. So it's very important that you know your patterns. You know market structure. You know price action. That's very important. I'm gonna have to look at this right here in NAS100 after I explain this. But have to know your morning star, price action, market structure. You have to know price action. There's different patterns when it comes to trading. I strongly suggest you, if you're a beginner, I strongly suggest you to get that candlestick Bible. I'm just throwing it out there. That's what I learned. I learned the patterns from the candlestick Bible. So I'm just giving you I'm just throwing it out there. If you're a beginner, I strongly suggest you get that candlestick Bible. I provide it in my NPM Academy. If you was to sign up in my NPM Academy, I provide it there. So strongly suggest you to get that. If you don't get it, that's on you. I'm just giving you tips. I'm giving you information. So that's on you. That's on y'all. So this is a Morningstar candle. So Morningstar potential up to the upside. And then let me see. This what price is this? So I like how it's I like that it shows this the pattern. Then let's go to the weekly. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. So let me explain something to you. Let me explain to you. Let's go back to the monthly. You see this yellow, the yellow Fibonacci retracement lines, 618, 50, 382. Those are potential reversal levels. So these, I call these the golden levels. I call these the golden levels. So I know why it why it did this. Why it did this? It went down to the downside. Boom, hit this 618. Then boom, went right back up. So that's just like if it let's say if this was to go up, it could do the same thing. It will reverse right back down. It could reverse right back down. So that's not all. I mean, it depends on the market. It can happen sometimes. It depends on the market. You just got to react off of what they do. That's what we do. We just react off of what they do. So I'm just giving you. I'm showing you this. This is powerful. That 618, that 50, that 382. Those are reversal levels. When I go to the monthly, I make sure I mark up from the higher high. You got to know your higher high, higher lows as well. So you mark it up. I'm not about to erase this or whatever, but if I was doing it like starting out from the beginning, I would show y'all the. I think have I did a trying to think. Have I did a video where I showed when I put the Fibonacci chase? I think I did or whatever on one of my lives. I think I did, probably did or whatever. One of my other lives or whatever. But I know I did because but yeah, you gotta make sure you. I use the Fibonacci retracement. This is just what I do. I've been doing this for the longest. You can choose to do it or not. I've been doing this for the longest. So Fibonacci, using that Fibonacci retracement. So you know where you're at when it comes to price action. You know where you're at. Just keep on going off. NPM trade command buy signal, and that's on futures. Let's look at NAS though. Let me see. Let's look at NAS because NAS was given a buy. NAS, I forgot his NAS. Texas. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this. Monthly. I don't like that weekly. I don't like the weekly. The monthly and daily is fine. I don't like the weekly. I don't like that weekly, so I'm not even messing with it. I ain't messing with it. I ain't messing with NAS. let's go back to gold. We on gold today. Again, we on gold today. We on gold today. We are on gold today. Take these lines off. Yeah, we on gold today. Let's go back. Wait for that signal though. Just gotta wait for that signal. I need to screenshot it. Did I screenshot this? Let me see. Screenshot this. Is this on? Let me see something. Let me change this. Yeah, wait. Then move it. I'm gonna screenshot this. Can you see? Can I see the futures gold? Don't have that alert. You have to set it up. You will have to set that up for that. You have to set it up. It's MGC. MGC. You have to set it up for the. You have to set the alert up for that. For futures. So don't. When it comes to NPM trade command, since it's futures, don't go off of the gold like the gold signal. Don't go off the gold signal. If you're doing futures, you go off of the regular futures MGC one. That's what I go by. I don't go off of the XAUUSD because that's on the forex side. On the forex side. It can. I mean, some people do might do, but I don't. I go by the futures side. I mean, I go by the alert of the future. If you give me an alert for the first futures and then say MGC NPM trade command by MGC, that's what I'm gonna go off of. If it give me alert and that's what I'm on. I'm on futures. I'm gonna go by that alert on futures. If it give me XAUUSD and I'm on XAUUSD for like the forex pairs, I'm gonna go by that alert on XAUUSD. So does everybody understand that? So I'm waiting for this alert. I'm not going off of the MGC for the future side. I go by the alert that it has on that specific pair, that pair. Does everybody understand that? So it can go off all day. I'm still not jumping in if I'm not on that pair. It's gold. It is gold or whatever, but it's on the future side. Let me see. I make this. That don't make. Won't change. That's fine, I guess. Trying to make this bigger. Let me see. It's too little. Thought it was big. I guess that was on. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Still. Okay, that's good enough. And then put this over here. I gotta screenshot this. I gotta screenshot this. Put this out the way. Screenshot this right quick. I can put it in the chat. Put it in my Telegram. Let's see. So people can know. You gotta know price action. You gotta know market structure. Hit that like. Hit that subscribe button. Give me my likes. Give me my comments. Give me my likes. Give me my comments. So we wait patiently until we get that alert. Does everybody understand that? You don't jump in prematurely. Here's the thing. When it comes to these markets, you are not supposed to be jumping in prematurely. Yes, you're supposed to use market structure and price action. And this is what I'm showing you right here. This is This is price action market structure right here, what I'm showing you. Of course, you gotta know your price action, know your market structure. But you can use the alerts, use the alerts, go by the alerts, but you don't jump in prematurely. If you don't get the alert, why would you jump in the markets if you don't get the alert? Like, if you gonna jump in, if you just gonna jump in and you don't have no alerts, you don't have confirmation, then you messing yourself up. If you jumping in prematurely, that's where people tend to mess up at, is they jump in prematurely without any alerts, any confirmation, and they're not 100% confident. This shows here, this NPM trade command gives you 100% confidence level. I'm showing y'all market structure and price action. You can go by the alert, but it all have to confirm. It has to have the green, bullish. The trends has to be bullish. This has to light up green. The entry, it gives you a higher time frame bias. It goes by my strategy, but I'm showing y'all price action and market structure. If you're a beginner, it's very important that you know your price action, you know market structure. That's very important. And if you're gonna be lazy and not put in the work and not learn market structure and price action, you don't need to be trading. Quite frankly, you don't need to be trading if you ain't gonna put in the work and learn market structure and price action. That way, you can know what you're doing when it comes to this. Gotta know where you at on the chart. You have to know where you at on the chart. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. I have a lot of, you gotta have a lot of chart time as well. I have a lot of chart time. I've been on these markets. I've been doing this for 6 years, so I have a lot of chart time when it comes to this. So I can go to the, just like I showed y'all. It used to take me. It used to take me like 2 hours, 3 hours. It used to take me hours just to figure out what this right here, what it's doing right here. This right here, what I'm doing right now, it used to take me, now it only takes me like 1 or 2 minutes, 3 minutes, because it comes natural, because I've been doing this. I have a lot of chart time and I know price action, I know market structure. That's where people have to get to a place where they know you have to get that chart time in. You have to get that chart time in. You have to know market structure. You have to know price action. That's very important. If you're not gonna put in the work, don't even trade. I'm being honest with y'all. Don't even trade. If y'all not gonna put in the work and learn market structure and learn price action and put in the work, put in and get that chart time, don't even trade. I'm being honest with y'all. Don't even trade. Don't even try to trade if you're not gonna put in that chart time. I have a lot of hours of chart time. You got to get that a lot of hours of chart time. You got to study. I teach this in my NPM Academy. Got to have that chart time. Got to put in the work. Put in the time. That's how you become successful in these markets. That's how you become successful in these markets, by putting the work, put in the time. Make sure you get that chart time. Use proper risk management, discipline, control your emotions. Control your emotions, because you have to learn emotional intelligence. You have to get emotional intelligence. Trading taught me emotional intelligence, because what a loss that I took back then, it don't even bother me now. Or say, for instance, you take this loss or whatever, and it, how people get upset, they start doing stuff and just being, what used to bother me then doesn't bother me now. Why? Because I have emotional intelligence. If it don't go my way, I'm cool with that. If it go my way, that's awesome. Again, if it don't go my way, I'm cool with that, because I know that you're either gonna lose, take a loss, or you either gonna win. You gotta accept the fact, either fact, that you're gonna lose or you're gonna win. And that's where people, they tend to, they don't wanna accept that fact, that you're either gonna lose or you're either gonna win. How you react to it It's how you react to it. So if you go off and you getting upset and you throwing temper tantrums and stuff like that, and and not thinking about the positive. The positive is you learn from that, you grow, and you keep moving forward. You gotta look at the positive. Oh, I took a loss. How can I get better? How can I learn from that? How can I grow? How can I level up? You're not looking at the positive. You're looking at the negative. That's how I changed. I had to change my mindset. I had to change my mindset. I was thinking negative. I was just like other people, thinking negative. Oh, I took a loss. I'm down on my account. I didn't blow my account. Change your mindset. It's all about changing your mindset. Got to change your mindset. If you're not willing to change your mindset, you don't need to be trading. Again, if you're not willing to change your mindset when it comes to trading, you don't need to be trading. Because you got to think about the positive and not the negative. Your mind has to be reprogrammed to positive. I live my life off of positive, not negative, not the negative. And that's what I see when I talk to people and stuff like that. Their mind is programmed to the negative. And we gotta, and if anybody join my NPM Academy, that's what I do with them. We gotta work on your mindset. We gotta work on your mindset. You gotta reprogram that mindset, because your mindset might be negative, thinking negative, and negative. And we gotta reprogram your mindset to turn that into a positive, because your mindset is programmed to always think negative and that's what I had to learn. I had to change my mindset. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. Give me my ones, give me my likes, give me my subscribe, give me my comments. I don't see no ones. I do not see no ones. Give me my ones. Give me my likes, give me my subscribe. I see a 1. Awesome. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. Let's see. So I like this weekly candle. Potential buy. Now this right here. Hold on. Move it over. This right here I don't like, and that's probably why the NPM the NPM trade command dashboard hasn't went off yet, because of this right here. See, it's red means sell. We don't have a buy candle. Like this right here is a good candle. That was a good candle. See this? This is a good candle for a buy. So you just gotta wait. Gotta be patient. You have to sit on your hands. You have to sit on your hands. And that's the thing that people have to learn. You have to sit on your hands. If everything is not aligning yet, sit on your hands. It's okay to not take a trade. Not being in a trade is still trading, because you're not getting in prematurely, and then you blow your account and take losses, and so you got to learn that. If you want to join my NPM Academy, the link is in the description below. Again, if you want to join my NPM Academy, the link is in the description below. Also, I strongly suggest you to get NPM Trade Command dashboard. I was running a deal where you get when you get NPM Trade Command dashboard, that's monthly. You You get NPM Academy and VIP Telegram signals free. But y'all, if you missed out, you missed out on that. But I was doing. But this is monthly NPM Trade Command Dashboard. The link is in the description. Again, the link is in the description. This is very powerful. I use this to send my signals. Again, I use this to send my signals. Let me see. I'm gonna show y'all something. If I can find it, let me see. I gotta show y'all something. Let me see, where is it? So you gotta be patient. Gotta be patient in these markets. Let the trade come to you. Let the trade come to you. Okay. Let's see. If I can find it. Let's see that. Okay. I'm just gonna show it. Bam. Here we go. Does everybody see that? So last week, this is from the NPM Trade Command. Last week, and this is my Telegram. This is my Telegram group. Anybody can join. Anybody can join. This is my Telegram group. If you want to join this NPM Trade Room, the link is in the description. Again, if you want to join NPM Trade Room, the link is in the description. This is where I send all of my updates. So last week we caught NAS100 buy. Look at that. The NPM Trade Command. See, it lights up. It lights up green, giving you that buy signal, and then boom. See how it went up? See how it went up? Went up. See how it went up? Went up to the upside. Yeah, it went up to the upside. So that's what we caught yesterday. I mean, no, not yesterday, last week. What I'm saying, yesterday, last week. That's what we caught last week. And this is what I use for my signals. This is a very powerful tool. I send my signals with this. It's basically my strategy inside of this. My strategy is inside of this, basically. So basically my strategy inside of this. So if you want to join NPM Trade Room, the link is in the description. It's going to say NPM Trade Room. Join that Telegram. Also, if you want to get the NPM Trade Command, the link is in the description. It's going to say NPM, and then it's going to say the website. So it's under the Trade Room link. So the link, so you click on that link where it says NPM, and then it's gonna be right there under the NPM Trade Room link. So you'll see it when you click on that link. Let's get back to this. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bless somebody today. So bless somebody today. If they get If you get the NPM, I'm only doing this while I'm on the stream. If you get the NPM trade command dashboard, I will let you in my NPM Academy and VIP Telegram signals for free. Those are monthly. So you have to get the NPM trade command dashboard. You have to keep up with the membership. I will let you in my NPM Academy for free. Does everybody understand that? Or bless somebody. As long as I'm on this stream, it's long as I'm on this stream. And if I get off this stream or whatever, the deal is over. So if you want to get in, do you want me to send the link? I'll send the link right now. Let me see. I'll put it in put it in the chat. That way you can let me see. Let's see, hold on, give me just a second. Okay, give me just a second. I'm about to put the link in. I'm gonna pin it too. Pin it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So you have to get the NPM trade command. You have to purchase the NPM trade command, and then I'll give it to you. Give you access to the academy and the VIP Telegram signals. Let's see. Okay, let me see if I can put it in the comments. I'm gonna put the link in the comments. And I'm gonna pin it. Hold on, let me see. Put the link in the comments, and I'm gonna pin it. It's saying, why is it saying? Hold on, why is it saying? I gotta erase this. Give me just a second. I'm about to put it in the comments. Why is it saying that? I don't know why is it saying that. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's better. Okay, I put it in the comments. Again, I put the NPM trade command, the link to purchase the NPM trade command in the comments, and I'm gonna pin it. So you have until after I get off this live stream, the deal is over with. So anybody that wants to get it, you're more than welcome to get it, but it has to be, as long as I'm on this live stream. Now, when I get off, you're not gonna be able to get this deal. So you get NPM Trade Command Dashboard. If you purchase NPM Trade Command Dashboard, I will let you in my VIP Telegram signals, my NPM Academy for free, as long as you purchase the NPM Trade Command Dashboard. You have to keep up with your membership. So if you don't keep up with that membership and you don't pay it monthly, you ain't gonna have access to the Academy or the VIP Telegram signal. You'll have access to the VIP Telegram signals in the NPM Academy as long as you pay that membership. So, and Cam, you still in here? Cam, you still in here? Let me know you still in here. Let me know you still in here. Are you still in here? Tell them about my academy and my tell them about my academy and VIP Telegrams. Tell them they're getting a steal. Tell them they're getting a steal. What I'm doing right now, blessed people. Tell them they're getting a steal. Put in the comments what you had to say about it. You see, let's look at it. Because I don't do deals. You already know, Kim. I don't normally do deals, discounts. So you get my NPM Academy and my VIP Telegram signals. That's monthly. You getting that free. He said, "Hey guys, the NPM Trade Command Dashboard is amazing indicator." Yep, it is amazing indicator. That's right, Cam. It is amazing indicator. It's still going off NPM Trade Command by NAS100. We're not looking at that though. I already told y'all what it is. We on gold. We on gold right now. So focusing on gold. Let me see it on live action, on live trading. I'm buying it right now. That's what we waiting on. We waiting on everything to align. Waiting on everything to align. I don't move off of prematurely. I don't take trades prematurely. I wait until that NPM Trade Command Dashboard lights up. Then we on go. Yeah, I don't take trades prematurely when it comes to this. Gotta get in at the right time. Look at 3 minute. Let me see something. See, 1 minute. 1 minute. Anybody have any questions? You're more than welcome to ask questions. Any questions? It's lighting up on the 30 minute, but look, it says green. This is the ones you don't take. So let me explain to you. This is the ones you don't take. It's on the 30-minute time frame. I take mine on the 5-minute time frame. I take my entries on the 5-minute time frame. That's why I have it set for the 5 minute. So I have it for this 5 minute. So this is where you don't take it. So it says buy, and then the trend says neutral. That right there, you have to have it has to say bullish. Has to say bullish right here. And then green, green, green. It says red. And then it's telling you right here that this is not good. It's telling you right here this is not good. It says block mix. It has to say all green. It's normally gonna say all green or all red. Does everybody understand that? That's the ones you take. It's gonna say buy, bullish, green, 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 and then it's gonna say all green right here. Then it's gonna say, and then it has the entry stop loss TP1, TP2, TP3, confidence level. These right here, you don't take these. It's telling you right here, block mix on the high time frame buys. So it's gonna say buy. These are the ones you look at buy. When it's saying the trend is neutral, do not take it. The trend is neutral. It's letting you know the trend is neutral. Gotta wait for that bullish. Then you got a green, green, green. Then you got the all green. And then you add your entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3, then confidence. It's very important that you make sure you're looking at this. So don't just take every time you get a signal. So you get a signal, make sure you're looking at this tape, looking at this dashboard, and make sure everything is on point. It does it for you. Basically, it does it for you, but you also have to be attention to detail and make sure that everything is aligned. You don't just go off the signal without you looking at this dashboard and making sure that everything is confirmed. Does everybody understand that? Because this is my strategy. This is my strategy. If it's not aligning and it's telling you block mix, why would you take on the higher time frame buys? Why would you take a signal and it's telling you block mix? That's why I put it right there. That's why I coded it like this. It's telling you block mix. So block mix means it's not confirming. It has to be all green. Does everybody understand that? Type of one in the chat. Type of one in the chat. I even put it in the I put it in my Telegram group example of this before. So if what will it say when it's a good trade? It will say buy. You see this NPM trade come in, buy, and then the trend will be, instead of neutral, if you're going for buys, instead of neutral, it'll be bullish. And then the higher time frame candle will be green, green, green. Right now it's green, green, red because I know what it is. I know what it is because of that daily. Remember when I told you I don't like that daily? Look at this red. This is garbage. This is garbage right now. So go back to 30 minute. So that's why it's this. So green, green, green. It's not green yet, so we're not taking it. Then this block mix. Block mix is telling you the higher time frame buys, it's not aligned yet. It has to say all green. And then the entry is going to give you the entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3. And then your confidence level is 100. This is on the 30 minute though. I take mine on the 5 minute. I got it set to the 5 minute. My alerts to the 5 minute. Because I take my trades on the 5 minutes. So, and I strongly suggest you to take it on 5 minute. But if you take it on other other time frames, understand this, that if you take it on a 4 hour, understand that if you take it on a 4 hour, it's going to take some time because it's on the 4 hour. If you take it on higher time frame, it's going to take some time because it's on higher time frame. So you got to be patient and trust the process. You have to be patient and trust the process. Where it says block mixed, what is it supposed to say instead? All green. Say all green. On the higher time frame, it's gonna say all green. or all red. All green is a go. All red, if it's a sell, if it's on sell mode and that's red, this whole thing would be red. That's that would be that's a go. So all green instead of just black mix, it's gonna say all green. Does everybody understand that? So right now, you're not supposed to be taking these trades right now. Just because you see this light up, that don't mean you take that trade. Let me see. Let's go to MGC. 5 minute. See, and it's let's see MGC. Yeah, it's red right now. So yeah, you have to make sure you looking. If you're not willing to put in the work and and understand this, then you don't need to be trading. I'm being honest. You don't need to be trading. You can't be lazy in these markets. I'm being honest with y'all. Y'all can't be lazy in these markets. You have to know. You have to be very attention to detail in these markets. If you're gonna be lazy, don't even trade. And I'm being honest. If you're gonna be lazy in these markets, don't even trade. I'm telling y'all straight up. If you're gonna be lazy, don't even trade. You have to put in the work, put in the time. You have to know price action. You have to know market structure. You have to be very attention to detail. Know where you at on the chart. You have to know where you at on the chart. If you don't know where you at on the chart, then what are you doing? What are you doing? You have to know where you at on the market, in the markets. I can show you right now. Let me see. Does everybody know what this is right here? Like this, all it can, from here all the way up. What is that? Is this a buy trend or is this a sell trend? From here all the way up. What is that? A buy trend or a sell trend? Put it in the comments. Is this a buy trend or sell trend? Put it in the comments. I want to know. I know what it is. I want to know, do you know what it is? Put it in the comments. I don't see nothing in the comments. I don't see the answer. Is this a buy trend or sell trend? From here all the way up to here. I might have to, let me see. Put a line. From here all the way up. Does everybody see that? From here all the way up. You see the my red line right there? I mean no, the blue line. See the blue line is a buy. Correct. So you know what? You have to know what trend you're in. You have to know what trend you're in. So things like this is important. You have to know what trend you're in. Are you in the buy trend or are you in the sell trend? Here go another one. From here to here. Go another one. Are you in a buy? Is this a buy or a sell? From here to here. Is this a buy or sell? From here to here. Is this a buy or sell trend? Type it in the chat. Buy, correct. I'm gonna show you. Let's see. Let's look at it. Let's find a sell trend. I mean a sell trend. Let me see. Well, I already told. Well, I should have not said, but y'all see. I already told you. Y'all gonna say it automatically. So and you got to know your sell trends. See something. Is oh, that's the okay, okay, online. Is this a buy trend or sell trend right here? Is this a buy or sell trend right here? And this is on the 5 minute. Is this a uptrend or downtrend? Is this an uptrend or downtrend? This is a correct. This is a downtrend. Downtrend. So you have to know price action. You have to know market structure. You have to know are you in a uptrend or are you in a downtrend? That's very important when it comes to these markets. You have to know are you in an uptrend or are you in a downtrend? So you have to understand that. Check this out. You have to know are you in an uptrend or are you in a downtrend? That's very important when it comes to these markets. You have to know price action. You have to know market structure. I cannot stress this enough to y'all. You have to know price action. You have to know market structure. You have to know where you are at on the chart. Just because you get a get an alert or something, you have to know where you at. You have to know price action. You have to know market structure. So if you enter in a trade and you going for a buy and it's doing a pullback or something like that, down or whatever, and you enter in the wrong time, then boom, you enter in the wrong time. You might lose that account. Might if you're not using proper risk management, you might lose that account. You might take a loss. So you got to know where you at when it comes to when you on these charts. You got to know where you at. You got to know price action. Got to know market structure. Keep on telling y'all that. My strategy is my strategy is basically in here. It's gonna give you the high time frame bias. So it's gonna give you the high time frame bias. So it's gonna tell you whether you're in the buy trend or you're in the sell trend based off the higher time frame bias. But you have to know market structure. You have to know price action. You have to know where you at when it comes to these charts. You have to know where you at. Does everybody understand that? Type of one in the chat. Type of one in the chat. I get alert. The NPM trade command buy on NAS is still going on. I still got that running. I still got that running. Let me see. I still got that running on my the signal on my VIP Telegram signals. I still got that running on. Let me see. Yeah, I still got that running for my VIP Telegram signals. I sent out a signal that was when did I send that out? That was when was that? When was that? When was that? When was that? What day was that? It's today. That was last week. That was last week, and it's still running. That was August 7th. August 7th. I still got that running. So I still got this trade running. You have a question? Yes, sir. On the futures, on the futures portion, when I enter a buy trade, it shows a sell stop and sell limit. I do not see the usual TP and stop losses. Is that supposed to be that way on the futures portion? When I enter a buy trade, it shows a sell stop and sell limit. Were you saying on the where you take the trade at? So are you saying right here? Right here? Are you seeing right here? So what has to happen is you have to make sure that it says market couldn't market. It has to say, so you're gonna click here over here, click this, whatever if you're on TradeAway, you're gonna click this, and then you make sure it's on order, and then you're gonna make sure market, you make sure it's on market, not stop, not limit. This is where you have to buy stop, buy limits, sell stops, sell limits. It has to be on market execution. It has to be on market execution. Do you understand that? And then this is where you put your TP and stop loss. So you're gonna click this TP, and then you're gonna click that stop loss as well. You're gonna put in the price. Gonna put in the price. You have to put in the price of what's gonna be the TP. Gonna have to put in the price of what's gonna be the stop loss, and then you're gonna push the buy or the sell. Do that answer your question? Yes, but on the buy, I put a on. Said on the buy, you say what you say. You don't see it on the chart. Are you asking? You don't see it on the chart? I know you are. I know. I know you. This your first time doing the feature side. You've been. We've been on the forex side. This your first time. Graph will show sales stop. That's how. If I'm not mistaken, that's how the features. That's how they do it. Do it or whatever. Does it say the how much you can potentially make and how much you can potentially lose? Does it say that on the graph? That's how they have it for some reason or whatever. So that's nothing to be. Did you put in the TP and the stop loss? You put in the TP and stop loss, like I showed you the TP and the stop loss. Yeah, that's how they have it for future. So I wouldn't worry about that. Worry about that because I saw that as well when I was doing it on here for the future side. That's how they have it. But it's gonna get you out. So if you put in that TP, it's gonna get you out. So long as you did what I asked, what I told you, you put in this buy, and then you put in market, and then you did all of that what I told you, you're good. No, you don't have to worry about what I'm that right there. You don't have to worry about that. Do you understand? Type of one in chat. All right. Yeah, so no, I wouldn't even worry about that because I was looking at that too when I first started futures and I was doing it trading it on here on trading. I was like, why is it? But that's how the futures, that's how it does. So that's how it is. So it's gonna get you out though when it hits that TP. So you just gotta get familiar with futures. So Let me see. So we're waiting patiently. What time is it? 8:07. 8:07. 8:07. So waiting patiently. So like I said, if you want the NPM trade come in, long as I'm on this live stream, you'll get the deal that I'm doing, which is you get NPM trade come in. That's what. Hold on, people. Let me see. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Hit the like, hit that subscribe button. I got people hitting me up at the same time. Sorry, I got people hitting me up at the same time. Students hitting me up. So let's get back to this. Right now, you got to be patient. You have to be patient. So you got to be patient. It's 8:11. Let's see. We got some news. Let me see. Let's see. We got some news. Let me see. I gotta look. See. We got some news. Do we got some news? We got news at 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, so we should get some movement. We got news at ADP employment change weekly. So we got news. So we should see some movement sooner or later. Should see some movement. Got some news coming up. So we got news coming up. Gotta be patient. Anybody have any questions? Any question? Any questions? See, it's lighting up on the 1 minute. If you was trading on the 1 minute, let me see. Let me see some. See, it's lighting up on the 1 minute. So this is what I'm talking about. Let me screenshot this so y'all can. Let me screenshot it. What this? No, this just didn't. Just didn't. Let me see. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about. Let me move these lines. I have to move these lines because these Fibonacci lines in the way. Okay, now I can screenshot it. That way y'all can see it better. So here we have it. This is what I'm talking about. Cam, when I was telling y'all that you have to make sure everything is confirmed, you had to buy bullish. The trend has to be bullish. Green, green, green. Higher time frame buys, all green. Entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3, and the confidence level. Hey, Mackenzie. Hey, good morning. So what I was explaining to you, trend has to be bullish. Higher time frame candle, green, green, green. So that's a go. High time frame buys. Remember I was saying all green. So that's a go. Gives you the entry, gives you the stop loss, gives you the TP1, TP2, TP3, confidence level. It don't get no better than that. I just love I love this NPM trade command. Man, I created something powerful. All through the grace of God. I don't think y'all understand how powerful this is. I don't think y'all understand how powerful this is. This is nothing but God. Again, this is nothing but God. And say if you was to take a trade, let's see, what's the entry? 4295. Let's see. I gotta look at the price. Where we at on price? Where we at on price? Where we at on price? Where's my candles at? Where's my candles? Where's my candles at? Can't see nothing. See. Oh, there we go. There we go. I see my price now. Yep, right here. Entry, right here. Right here, entry. It's right here. Entry. Boom. And then where we at? 4440. 4440. 4440. See. Then stop loss 4383. 4383. 4383. 4383. 383. 0.8. I trade on the 5 minute. I'm just showing y'all example. I trade on the 5 minute. So I'm showing you example. If you was to use it on the 1 minute, I'm showing you example. I'm not trading. I'm not taking the trade on the 1 minute. I take it on the 5 minute. I'm just showing you example. So I'm showing you example. I'm not taking this trade on the on the 1 minute. But if somebody else was to trade it on the 1 minute time frame, somebody was tell you this on the 1 minute time frame, this is what you would do. This is what you would do. You would use this, the entry, and then the stop loss would be 4383.8, 4383.8, 8.8. And another thing, you know how you getting the price. I mean, long as you close to the, close to there or whatever. If you are a little off or whatever, that's fine or whatever. You're not gonna be perfect. Nobody's perfect when it comes to this, but make sure you close enough. You're not gonna be perfect when it comes to this getting the price. No, like I said, nobody's perfect, so just make sure it's close to that price. So 4383. I got 4383.73. That's close enough to the 0.8. And then boom, we got you said you took a buy on the go. That's what's up. What you took it? You used the from this NPM trade command when I showed you, Chaz, from the NPM trade command when I was showing you. But this is just an example. This is just an example. I don't take it on the 1 minute. I take it on the 5 minute. My alert hasn't even went off. So see, mine hasn't went off for the 5 minute. So I don't move until the 5 minute. I take my entries on the 5 minute. Not the 1 minute. I take it on the 5 minute. 5 minute time frame. But that's just an example. See how it lights up? That's how powerful it is. I'm waiting for that 5 minute entry, and then it's a go. Again, if you want to get the NPM trade command dashboard, the link is pinned in the comments. I'm doing a deal. I don't usually do this, but I'm blessing somebody that really wants to get in and lock in. When you get NPM trade command dashboard, you get NPM Academy and VIP. Or when you marked up the chart, okay, that's good. So how long have you been trading? How long have you been trading? Chelsea Harley 1768. How long have you been trading? You do your markups, that's good. How long have you trading? Put it in the chat. I want to know. How long have you been trading? We waiting for that buy on the 5 minute. So waiting for the buy. Only 2 years, not advanced. That's still good. You still you have some. I mean, you have some time. You put in some time. So 2 years. That's still. I mean, you know the basics, right? You know the basics. You was able to put in that trade, so that's good. And then you can get more advanced. So the more and more Get better and get better, you can get more advanced. That's the thing about I teach advancement in my MPM Academy. So I teach advancement in my MPM Academy. So if you're not advanced right now, you when you get in my MPM Academy, definitely gonna get show you how to get advanced, how to grow and level up when it comes to this. So I've been doing this. I've been doing this 6 years. If to be honest with y'all, it feel like I've been doing this 10, 20 years because it comes to me naturally. I was made for this by God. Again, I was made for this by God. He had a plan. It was already written before I even knew. It was already written. He knew when I was in my mama womb, and that's just like anybody else. Uh, Everybody has a purpose. He knew you before you were in your mama womb, because he made you. He made you. He's the author of the beginning. He's the author of the end. But let me stop preaching and let's get back to the charts. Let's see, let me see. The news already happened. 3 minutes already happened. Yeah, it already happened. ADP employment change weekly. It just already happened. So, and then see what time is it now? So, in like an hour and like 35 minutes, we got some more news coming. USD news. Yeah, USD news. So we got some more news. That other news, the ADP employment change just happened. So up 120 pips. I'm closing out. That's awesome. That's awesome. I'll wait till 9:30. Do you have a profit target of how much you want to make that day? I go by. I don't go by. I used to go by when I first started by pips and stuff like that. I used to go by the pips. I go by a dollar amount. That's how I trade. I go by a dollar amount. How much I want to make that day? How much I want? How much I'm gonna potentially lose that day? So you got to have a profit target. Now I explain. I teach this in my MPM Academy. You have to have a profit target, and you have to have a daily loss. How much I'm willing to lose, and how much I want to gain that day. So say for instance, I wanna make 1,000, 2,000, and lose like 1,000, 2,000. So gotta have a that's for example. Gotta have a profit target. You gotta have a daily loss. You have to have a profit target and daily loss. Does everybody understand that? Type of one in chat. You understand that? You have to have a profit target and have to have a profit target and daily loss. Profit target and daily loss. So we waiting for this, being patient, trusting the process. Yeah, Cam, you already know. Cam. He in my MPM Academy. He already know. I just keep on saying that over and over again. You have to have a daily profit target and a daily loss. when you in these markets, you have to have a daily profit target and a daily loss. That way you don't get greedy and say you keep on trading and keep on trading and keep on trading, and you don't have a profit target, daily profit target, and you don't have a daily loss, and you just keep on trading, and then you get the money back to the markets. You don't want to get that's another that you don't want to get the money back to the markets. You don't want to get the money back to the markets. $1,500, my max loss. $350. If I lose that much in a day, I'm done for the day. Tomorrow, a new day. When 1,500, my max loss, I'll lose $350 if I lose that much in a day. Okay. What is your daily profit target though? Do you have a daily profit target? Do you have a daily profit target? Do you have a daily profit target? I don't see no daily profit target on here. Type it in the chat. 15, you said 1,500? Oh, 1,500, all right. Cool, that's awesome. As long as you know your daily profit target and daily loss, you're good. It's when you don't have a daily profit target, you don't have a daily loss, then we got a problem. Definitely got a problem, major problem. Got to be disciplined in these markets. See, MTC, MMQ. So you gotta be patient when it comes to this. I'm just waiting, being patient, trusting the process. Again, not being in the trade is still trading. I keep on seeing this. The market's moving funny this morning. You see on NAS100. Let's look at NAS100. That's that. Well, yeah. Yeah, I see it. I see it, Chaz, Holly, I see it, and I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, but I'm still in the we still running the signals though, so it could potentially go up to the upside right now. You just gotta be patient. It's gonna do the market's gonna do its thing. It might be down, it might be down, and then you might be up in a few minutes, hour or two. So you just gotta be patient. Let it do its thing. But I wouldn't enter no trades for this right here. Wouldn't enter, let me see. Let me light up on. I still got mine's for the signals I still got it running for NAS100. And TP1 already hit. So for this TP1 already hit. My TP1 already hit. So TP2, TP3. So and that's the thing. It's gonna take time. You gotta be patient when it comes to that. Come to this. So mine is still running. it might have a red candle right now, then and then in the next hour or two it might turn green. So that's just part of the market. So part of the process, part of the markets. Hit that like, give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my shares. Make sure you can y'all do me a favor? Share this live. Share this live. Please share this live. You can click that the arrow. It's like the arrow, the right arrow is next to the thumbs up, and then you can copy the link and share this live. Please share this live with somebody who needs this. Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Share this live to somebody who needs this. Again, share this live to somebody who needs this. Don't be selfish. Do not be selfish. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like and subscribe button. Let's go back to gold though. We on gold today, so we are on gold today. Again, I love NASDAQ. NASDAQ is baby. Again, NASDAQ is the past. I will say NASDAQ is the pair that I focus on. Like when you first start, you gotta focus on one pair. I did. NASDAQ will always be baby. NASDAQ will always be baby. That's baby right there. I love NASDAQ. But when it's say for instance, it's not all aligning, you can move to other pairs. So what it is I trade. Here's the pairs that I trade. Want to know the pairs that I trade? US30, US30, NAS100, gold, Bitcoin, USD, Bitcoin. Those are the main ones I trade. Those are the main ones I trade. Those are the main ones I trade. So Forex pairs, when it comes to Forex pairs, I used to trade Forex pairs. So here's the thing. Here's the thing. I'm gonna show y'all what I used to do. I used to do when I was trading Forex pairs in the beginning. But I don't trade Forex pairs. Forex pairs are too slow for me. I really want to try out your indicator so bad, but I've spent so much money on indicators in the past and none was profitable. I've had Chico, Algo Pro, Infinity, Algo. Here's the thing. You have to take that leap of faith and put God first and trust in God. You have to take that leap in faith. You have to take that leap of faith. And you have to have faith like a mustard seed. You have to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, then it's not going to work. I believe in you. You gotta believe in yourself, and you can't be scared. And just because things, and this is the thing where people mess up at, they've experienced bad from other people and stuff like that. Everybody is not here to, you know, to to do you wrong. You gotta put God first, and trust in Him. Go to Him. I do this for the kingdom of God, so I'm here to help people. I get a fulfillment when you succeed. When anybody succeed, I get a fulfillment when they succeed, because I love to hear the stories of somebody changing their life, a drastic change in their life. That just does something to me, and I'm being honest. It does something to me because I want to see everybody win. Everybody don't want to see everybody win. I mean, and that's just. I mean, I got a heart like that. My heart is just like, I mean, because I'm here to help people. So I do this for the kingdom of God. So I go by biblical principles. You got to take that leap of faith. If you don't take that leap of faith, you're going to miss out on what God has in store for you. So that's the thing. You got to take that leap of faith and walk into what God has in store for you. I had to do the same thing. You got to trust, put God first. So, and take that leap of faith and walk in what God has in store for you. If you don't take that leap of faith, you miss out on what God has in store for you. So that's on you. And that's what I tell people. Take that leap of faith and you see what God has in store for you. Or don't take that leap of faith and you just miss out. And you keep on taking countless losses and keep on and blow your account and lose even more than keep on losing more. So that's on you. I'm just here to help you. I'm just here to spread the word. I'm just here to be obedient to God, what He tells me to do. So that's on you. That's on everybody in here. So let me see. Because I know my purpose. I know my purpose. I talk to God, and I know my purpose. I know my assignment. Everybody has to find their assignment. Not everybody's going to know their assignment. And I encourage you to get with God. Pray on it. I had to learn that. PM trade command buy sleep. Let's see. Let me see. Hey Cam, tell them. I'm telling them. I'm telling them. Gotta trust. Gotta take that leap of faith. Trust the process. Put God first. Step into what God has for you. If you don't, you just miss out. Here's the thing. If God keeps on putting trading and putting this in your face numerous times, He keep on putting something in your face numerous times. He keep on giving you hints. He keep on putting something in. He keep on putting a message in your face numerous times. I had to learn this. If God keep on putting a message in your face multiple times, you keep on hearing it multiple times and keep on hearing it. He's telling you. He's giving you that sign right there. It's up to you to take that sign and take that leap of faith, or just miss out of what He has in store for you. So that's on you. I'm just here to spread the word. do what God tells me to do. So hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I'm just a vessel. Again, I'm just a vessel. Let me see. 15 minute. Just lighten up on the 15 minute. Need that 5 minute. The 5 minute. After this live, that deal will be off the table. Again, after this live, the deal will be off the table. Get NPM Trade Command, get this, and you get NPM Academy and VIP Telegram signals. Again, let me put it. Let me see. Yeah, NPM Academy. In this, I'm just gonna keep this up here. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, Cam, you said hit the like button. I need to move this. Move this over. I'm about to move it. I'm at the. Okay. Okay, there you go. Does everybody see that? Does everybody see that? Everybody see that? I'm gonna leave that up there. Leave that up there. I'm gonna leave that up there. So let me see the 5 minute. I have to move this. Put this over here. So we looking at the 5 minute. Waiting for it to hit on the 5 minute. This gotta light up. It might be on the 15 minute, but I go by the 5 minute time frame. Again, I go by the 5 minute time frame. Hmm. Oh, thank you. Thank you for thank you for seeing that. I read those. I spelled it wrong. Yeah. It happens. It's special. Thank you for correcting that. As it is spelled it wrong. So now it's correct. And you can see it's special. And PM trade command buy signal, and that's on futures. So we waiting for this to, and this is a look at this right here. Let me see. It's a pullback going up to the. This is a pullback going up to the upside. It did a pullback going down. Now it's doing a pullback going up to the upside. So we shall see. Is it going to continue up? My arrow. Continue up. We gotta wait for the NPM trade command dashboard to light up. Have to wait for the NPM trade command dashboard to light up. Could get a potential up to the upside. So you gotta be patient when it comes to this. Anybody have any questions? Anybody have any questions? Anybody have any questions? Any questions? What are some challenges that y'all are facing? Type it in the chat. What are some challenges that y'all are facing when it comes to the markets? What are some challenges y'all are facing? Type it in the chat. I want to know. What are some challenges y'all are facing? What time is let me see. See, we got news coming up in an hour and 7 minutes. Got news coming up. Does everybody know where to look at when it comes to news? Does everybody know where to look at when it comes to the news? Does everybody know where to look at when it comes to news? This is what I go by. I go by when I want to look at the news, like when the times of the news, I look at my FX book. FX book. Or that's one there I look at, and then uh forex forex factory. So either one, you can look at those. my Facebook or Forex Factory, and those will show you the news. Those will show you news. Let's see. Let's see. Those are where to look at for news. My Facebook or Forex Factory. Type of one in chat if you understand that. Type of one in chat if you understand that. That's where I look at my Facebook or Forex Factory. Type of one in chat if you understand that. Does everybody understand that? And we got some news coming up in like 1 minute and 5 minutes. 1 minute and 1 hour and 5 minutes. My bad. 1 hour and 5 minutes. News coming up 1 hour and 5 minutes. Well, 4 minutes now. 1 hour and 4 minutes. So gotta be patient. That may be the news that we need for that. You never know. Don't quote me on it, but that might be the news that we need for that push up. You never know. You never know. You never know. So, but don't quote me on that, because right now we don't have a lot of movement going on. So I have a feeling that it's stalling. I have a feeling that they might be stalling till that news come up. I'm being honest. It might be stalling till that news come up, because that's the type of stuff that the market makers do. They'll stall until that news come up, till that major news come up, and then boom, a lot of volatility. So right now it's not that much movement, but when that news come in an hour, that's uh that's that's at 10 a.m. Eastern. 10 a.m. Eastern. If I was in Central, see, I was in Central. I was used to Central time zone. I had to get used to this because I just came to Eastern a couple of weeks ago, so I had to get used to this time zone. Definitely still trying to get used to this time zone, but you know, this is Eastern. I'm used to Central time zone because I'm from Texas. So, and I don't see people we got people in here that's from Pacific time zone. Pacific time zone, y'all like Pacific time, y'all like 2 or 3 hours away, or what? I mean, 3 hours. Like, say for instance, it's 8:57 right now, so it's probably like what time is it in Pacific time zone? Anybody on here? That's the thing. Pacific time zone is It's like 558 or something like that. In Pacific right now, 558. I don't see. I don't know if I could get. If it's 5 a.m. Cam, you said it's 5 a.m. Yeah. I don't know if I can do that. Like if I was to come over there on the Pacific if I was to come on the West Coast on the Pacific time, I'm be honest. I don't know if I can do that. My time that would mess up my whole body. Me knowing when to get up or whatever. Like cause y'all time zone is totally different. It's 5 a.m. That's a major difference. Like to me, I would have to get if I was to say for instance trade over there. You said Chazal Holly, I'm Eastern time zone. That's good. That's awesome. Tell me about it, bro. LOL. Yeah, cause that's different or whatever. I know New York session and I know New York session time zone and I know London session time zone. To be over there in Cali or something like that or Pacific time and it's like 5 right now and I know that right now it's 8:59 or 7:59 if I was on Central or whatever like that would be like they'll throw me off completely. I'm being honest. So that'll throw me off. I don't see how y'all do it. More power to you though. Whoever all y'all doing it that's doing it. So hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So let me see. No movement right now. But you gotta trust the process. Trust the process. Has the potential to go. Let me see something. Uh just, over right here. Where my line? I remember I don't do trend lines no more. I remember I used to do trend lines when I first started. Like this is like a trend line. This is like a trend line. If it breaks that, breaks this or whatever, I don't do trend lines. Personally, I don't do trend lines, but I'm just showing y'all that this is an uptrend. Uptrend. But I remember when I first started, I used to do trend lines and uh, trim lines when it comes to this. But I'm just showing y'all this is a uptrend right here. It's an uptrend. You looking at it, this is the uptrend. Uptrend. Check this out. Uptrend to the upside. So gotta be patient. Here's the thing. If you're not patient in these markets, if you're not patient, it's not gonna work for you. You gotta and if you don't have patience, you gotta build some patience. You have to build some patience. If you don't have patience, I didn't have I mean trading I had to build more patience than I now I have that patience. So you gotta have patience. So like we waiting right now, you gotta sit on your hands. Gotta trust the process. Gotta sit on your hands. I know it might get and that's another thing. Gotta sit on your hands. You can the good thing about these alerts, you see this NPM trade come in. So say for instance, you get busy or something like that, or go read a book, or go exercise or whatever, or something like that, you can get these loops. Or say you, for example, you're out and about or something like that, or you get these alerts to your phone when you download the app. When you download the TradingView app, and then 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. best time to mark up charts for me. Asian session, then wait for a US session. That's good. That's awesome. Chelsea Holly. That's good. That's good. 3 a.m., 5 a.m. best time to mark up charts for me. Asian session, then wait for us. That's a way you can do it. Another way. Here's what I do. I use. Here's what I do. So say Sunday, that's when the markets start up or whatever. So say Sunday, you during the weekend. So during the weekend, so say for instance, here's the thing: if you're not where you want to be in trading, you should not be partying and doing unnecessary stuff or whatever. You should be marking up charts, studying on the weekend. That's what I did. I'm not saying it's not you can't have fun and stuff like that, but if you want to get better at this on the weekends, you should be marking up charts. You should be studying, you should be back testing. That's what I did. And that's why I'm where I'm at right now. Because on the weekends, not partying and doing unnecessary stuff, like, you want to get better, right? You want to get better, right? So you have to do what is required. You have to sacrifice on the altar to become successful. You have to sacrifice. You have to make sacrifice. If you normally go out and party and do all of this stuff, you're gonna have to make that sacrifice and stop all of that and study and do and get chart time. Study markups. That's very important. You're gonna have to sacrifice. If you want to be successful, you have to make a sacrifice. Does everybody understand that? Let go, come back down to 43220. I'm taking it for buys. You said 4320. 4320. Yeah, right here. Yeah. I see what you're talking about. This is my Fibonacci line. This Fibonacci line too. That's the golden level. So I have my Fibonacci lines. If it was to come down here, right here, and then start coming back up, that's a good way to go buy. So say for instance, it comes down, drops down, all the way down here to this Fibonacci line, and then it starts to come back up. That's a good way to get in the entry as well. So yeah, that's another way. So it drops down to here, then it starts to come back up to the upside. Take a buy. But you see right here, this is where it went up. This is where it went up. So you have these points. You have these points right here. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. If you're learning something today and you're getting valuable information on, and you're learning something, you learn something. Are we learning something today? Hit that like and subscribe button. Give me my ones. Are we learning something today? Give me my ones. What time is it? 9:07. 907. We got like, let me see. Got 51 minutes left. 51 minutes left. Yeah, I got a 1. Awesome, awesome. So you gotta be patient. Like I said, you gotta sit on your hands. It's okay to sit on your hands. You don't have to jump in every trade, and you don't have to be. Here's the thing, where people mess up: fear of missing out. They gotta jump in every trade. You gotta be in this trade and that trade. If you got a certain plan, you got a certain strategy, and it doesn't align, then why are you jumping in that trade? I say this in my MPM Academy, and I'll say it in here. You need 3 to 4 confirmations to even enter in a trade. I have way more than that. I have way more than that on my strategy. You need 3 to 4 confirmations to enter a trade. 3 to 4 confirmations to enter in a trade. Again, 3 to 4 confirmations to enter in a trade. Again, 3 to 4 confirmations. Three to four confirmations to enter in a trade. We're broker. Chessel, Holly, my brokers, the brokers in the futures and forex is in the description below. It's in the description below. So you're gonna have to click the description. It's in the description below, and you'll see all those links. You'll see all the links. Those are the ones that I use. I strongly for prop firms, I use ACAP, and that's in the link in the description. Make sure you click my link, and make sure you click my my discount. Make sure you put in my discount code, because if you don't put in that discount code, you don't get a discount. So it's in the link in the description. Make sure you click the link, and then the discount code. My discount code. So that answers your question, Chelsea, Holly. It's in the link is in the description. All the links that you need. The prop firms, the brokers. The broker is at the top. The 2 brokers that I use are at the top. You should see them. It's at the top. So when you click the link, when you go to the description on here, you're gonna see. It's gonna say it. It's gonna have it's gonna be the first 2 for the brokers. The first 2 for the brokers. That should answer your question. Let me know if you found it. If you found it, if you're having trouble finding it, let me know. Please let me know. Shouts Holly. If you found it, because you should see it. Let me know if you found it. Type a one or whatever. Let me know if you found it. Please let me know if you found it. I want to make sure you get it. Let me know if you found it. Time is at 9:13 a.m. 9:13 a.m. See. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I know what he's doing. I know what they doing. They stalling to that news. When that news comes, they stalling to that news. What time is it? See. You got 45 minutes. Once you do this for years, you'll know how they move. Know how they move. You do this for years, you know how the market makers move. And when I say the market makers, they're hedge funds, big banks, all of that. You name it. The big banks, they are the market makers when it comes to this. They move the markets when it comes to this. And you don't see no volatility, a lot of volatility right now. Waiting for that news. Potentially that news is coming up 45 minutes or whatever. So they stalling right now. Any questions? Any question? Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you share this. Share this live. Make sure you share this. Please make sure you share this. Share this. Make sure you share this live. Let's look at Bitcoin. 1 second. Go to the monthly. See something. Make sure it's lined up correctly. I might have to change this. Yeah. Kind of off. So this is for the Fibonacci retracement right here. Fibonacci retracement. So you go right here and you click that Fibonacci retracement. That's what I use. What's not your? You're gonna start right here. Let's see, delete this. Okay, and move it down. Move it down to here. Gotta make sure you're on point. Bam, bam. Then we good. Let me see. Make sure you good. That's what I do. I do use the Fibonacci retracement. Let's see. Well, it's kind of, make sure you're on point when it comes to this, because you might have to get closer, and you might have to get closer to take a closer look at the points, the wicks that it has. See, like this wick, might have to get closer. Make sure you hit, you're on point. Gotta make sure you're on point when it comes to this. So that's good right there. Good right here. Okay, that's good right there. So we good? We Gucci? That's how you do the Fibonacci retracement. That's how you do the Fibonacci. Does everybody understand that? That's how I do my Fibonacci retracement. Then let's go to the weekly. Let's go to the weekly. And what do we have here? This is red? Nah. So I don't like this right here. So looking at this, I would leave this alone. Let's go back to gold. What I would say? What's on number 5? Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you join NPM Trade Room. Again, join NPM Trade Room. Make sure you join NPM Trade Room. Link is in the description. Make sure you join NPM Trade Room. And I showed you again. I already showed you NPM Trade Room. I'll show you again if for the ones that missed out. If you missed out, this is NPM Trade Room. This is where I send updates. So you click the link in the description. It's gonna say NPM Trade Room. It's gonna say NPM Trade Room. Join. It's gonna say join NPM Trade Room. You're just gonna click that link. Also, when you see, we call it NAS100. That was last week by the trade come in, as you can see. When you join say you join NPM trade come in, I have a private Telegram group, and I'll send you the link to that. If you sign up for NPM Trade Command, you know I'm doing the deal. You get NPM Academy and VIP Telegram signals free. You get the link for that. That's a private group. Again, private group. So you get access to that. Once I'm off this live, you don't have access to that deal. Again, when I get off this live, you don't have access to that deal. So strongly suggest get in. If you don't get in, fine, cool. If you get in, cool. If you don't get in, cool. Either way it go, I'm here to help you. So like I said, live stream special. This is a live stream special. I'm only doing it on this live stream ends after the live ends. Get NPM trade command. This, when you get this monthly, when you sign up and purchase for the monthly subscription, you get NPM Academy. That's normally monthly. You get that free, and you get the NPM VIP Telegram normally monthly. That's free, long as you keep up with this membership, and that's a steal. That's really a steal. So you get mentored by me. What you get in the NPM Academy is I do live sessions where if you have any questions, uh, that's at 7 p.m. Eastern. When I was on, that's the same as 6 p.m. Central. When I was in Texas, uh, I made it 6 p.m. Central. It's pretty much the same thing. I just made it. I mean, it's Eastern is we 1 hour behind, so it's 7 p.m. East for people that's on the East Coast. 7 p.m. Eastern, and for people that's in Central, that'll be 6 p.m. Central for you. So 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern. That's when I do live sessions. That's Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I'll break down my strategy. Any questions that you have, I'm here to help you. I want to see you succeed. Tell them, Cam. Cam already know. If Cam you in here, tell them. I answer your questions. I'm here to help you. So tell them. So when you get in the NPM Academy, I do a live session where I break down my strategy, any questions that you have, whatever problems you facing, I'm here to help you. He said I'm withdraw from my broker so I can get your indicator, but it's not gonna be done in time. It has to be on this live stream. It has to be on what broker are you using? You can message me. Do you have Telegram, Chelsea Holly? You can message me and we'll talk or whatever. You can message me. You have a Telegram? Message me privately. My Telegram is I'm gonna put it in here. My Telegram. This is my Telegram. If you have Telegram, this is my Telegram. Okay, let me see. Pin this. That's my Telegram. I ain't gonna be able to pin it because I already got the NPM trade command and the link. I got that pinned, so I ain't gonna be able to pin this, but you should see it. You have you should see my Telegram. I just posted it. I put in where it says Telegram. DM me. You can DM me there. Make sure you put in is you Chelsea Holly so I know it's you. I get numerous messages and I don't know. I mean, no different. So gotta know it. Make sure it's you. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Sorry, let me see. We got 31 minutes. So we got 31 minutes. We got 31 minutes. And then that news come. So if I don't know if y'all know, I said this yesterday. Sundays and Mondays are manipulation. Sundays and Mondays, I don't trade Sundays and Mondays. Tuesdays I trade. Wednesdays are midweek reversals. So Wednesdays are midweek reversals. Thursdays may be continuation. Friday, it's winding down. Because the market closed. It's getting ready to close. For the weekend. So. Yeah, so Sundays and Mondays, and I definitely don't. I don't trade Asian sessions. I don't like Asian sessions. I do not like Asian sessions. I don't trade Asian sessions. Asian session is too slow on me. I love London and New York. I love London and New York. Who trade Asian sessions? Anybody in here trade Asian sessions? Chat. Anybody in here trade Asian sessions? More power to you if you do. I can't do it. Can't do it. Four three nine. 439. See 439. 4. Let me see. Yeah, after this live, the deal is over. Again, after this live, the deal is over. After this live, the deal is over. So it's best that you get in. Get in. Best that you get in. See what is. You just saw NAS100 drop. You said NAS100 drops. See, you see. I forgot his NASDAQ. They got different NAS. Oh yeah, I see it. Daily. The daily is selling. That's what it is. The daily is selling. Daily selling. Yeah, the weekly is selling. So yeah. Yeah, I see it. I see it. You gotta trust the process and just see what it's going to. Let me see. Where is this? Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So NASDAQ, yep. I don't like, I mean, just gotta let it do what it's gonna do. Again, you gotta let it do what it's gonna do. I ain't having it monthly. Oh yeah, it's 4 hours. Got the potential to continue up to the upside. So we on gold. I'm not messing with today we're on gold. Again, today we're on gold. I'm not messing with NAS100 today. We're on gold. Where's my waiting for this setup to happen, and then boom, in there like swimwear. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, let me see. I strongly suggest y'all to get ACAP. If you're looking for a prop firm, I strongly suggest you to get ACAP. Go watch my videos, my long form videos on ACAP. Very good prop firm. Strongly suggest you to get. And they have a day trader. Challenge. So say for instance, they have a day trader challenge. That's what I like about them. They have a day trader challenge. So say for instance, you put like, say for instance, whatever you put like 10, 50, 100, $200, you can 10x that. You can 10x it. But you have 8 hours to pass. So you have to hit a profit target. I passed it. And received I passed it and received the payout. So you have to hit that profit target. You have a daily daily drawdown when it comes to that. So that's like they have like certain ones. They have let me see. Let's go. Let me see. I'm gonna have to go. Hold on, give me just a second. Where's it? going. Let me see. So they have a day trading challenge. I'm gonna show you. Let me see. Where's my name? Where's the code? Okay, let me see. Is he gonna show? I don't know why it's not showing. Why it's not showing? Let's see. Give me just a second. I'm trying to see. Let's go back. Let me see. Why is it? I don't know why it's not showing. Let's see. Oh. Okay, where is it? Okay. Bam, there you go. There we go. So these are the challenges. They have one phase. They have two phase. They got one phase. One phase. One phase is minimum trading days 5, maximum daily loss 4%, maximum total loss 8%, maximum total loss 8%, profit target 10%, profit target 10%. So the profit target is 10%. Max leverage is 1 to 100. Profit split 80%. So they have 5K counts, 10K count, 25K account, 50K account, 100K account, 200K account. When you put in my discount code CFK, when you put in my discount code CFK12, you get a discount. So you gotta click that link, put in my discount code CFK12, and you get a discount. So this is the one phase. I passed the 100K phase, and you'll see on my long form videos. You'll see on my videos where I have a cap. It will say a cap. Let me see. When you go to my videos on here on YouTube, you'll see it. Just gotta go. It's gonna say. I got one that say live 100K a cap challenge with trading view. And then I got another one. I passed the a cap 100K challenge. And then you're gonna see the latest one is I got a payout from a cap. I earned a payout from ACAP. You'll see that in my videos on YouTube. So ACAP is an awesome prop firm. They have the 2-phase. I strongly suggest you to get the 1-phase if you're gonna do a phase. To be honest, I strongly get to 1-phase. 1-phase. Strongly suggest you to do 1-phase. You said you don't know too much about I can reset. He said I can reset my prop firm on my futures account, right? Yeah, you can reset it. It's gonna get you. You gonna you'll go. It depending on the whatever profit whatever futures account you can reset, but you'll have to pay pay the fee and reset it. You have to start all over from the beginning. Uh, Chelsea Holly, I don't know too much about prop firms. So here's the prop firms. Here's what prop firms are. Prop firms are, so say for instance, you don't have the capital. Say for instance, you want to trade, you don't have the capital. Prop firms are there for if you don't have the capital to trade with. So you can use their money. You can use this. You can use their money to trade with it. So say for instance, you don't have the capital, you can use any one of these and you'll have to pay a fee. I don't know unlimited. You said on the futures side, uh, you would have to look because you got a certain one, certain plans. Certain plans or whatever is different. Certain plans is different when it comes to the stipulation. You talking about the futures? Certain plans is different when it comes to the stipulations. So let's get back to this. So say for instance, you get 5K, 10K, 25K. You gotta pay this fee, and you gotta go through the phases. So say for instance, you go through the 1 phase and you pass it, you get funded. So for 1 phase, you get funded. You'll get, say for instance, you get a 100K account, you get funded that 100K, and whatever. Say for instance, the profit split. Say for instance, you make $1,000 on that account. You get 80%, so that's 8,000. I mean, that's $800, and then the prop firm gets 20% of those profits. So that's basically you get, but you have to pass it. You have to hit a target. So in order to pass, you get to go through the 1 phase. You have to hit a target. So you have to hit this have to hit this profit target. So this is 2 phase. You have to hit 9%. You have to make 9%, and you have to argue and for the 1 phase, and then 5% for the second phase. So that's basically what and you have a daily loss, so you can't lose 5%. So if you lose 5% during that day, you lose that account, and if you lose a max total loss of 10%. So say for instance, you hit 5% the first day, and then you hit 5% the first day, and then boom, the next day you hit 5%. You lose that account, so you have to start all over. You have to pay for another funded challenge. That's how prop firms work. And then you have to trade on this. This is 2 phase, so you have to trade a minimum of 3 days. On the 1 phase, you have to trade a minimum of 5 days. So you have to trade at least 5 days. So it has stipulations, it has rules. You just have to follow those rules. You have to follow those rules. Let's go. We went to the 2 phase. You see that? Let's go to the day trader challenge. Now this is where I like the day trader challenge. So say for instance, it goes all the way to, so you pay, say for instance, so what it is you have 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours to pass this challenge. I do the 8 hour. When I did it, I do the 8 hour. I do the 8 hour, and you can pay. It goes all the way to 500. So you can choose. You have to pay the 500, or you can go all the way from $5. You have to pay $5 to 500, and then if you pass 10x that, so 10x 500, 500 times 10. If you was to do the 10x one, and that's this one right here. This one, each one is different. Each one, well, no, it's not. This is the time. My bad. This is the time limit right here. This is the time limit. So to multiply your payout, 10x, that's 2x. You got 2x, 5x, and 10x. So if you say for instance, you had 500, you paid the 500. So 500 times 2, 500 times 2, that's 1,000. 500 times 5, that's 2,500 you'll be making. And there's no split, there's no profit split. You make that, you pass and you hit that profit target, and you put in 500 times 2, you'll make 1,000. They'll send you 1,000. And then say for instance you put in 500 and you times 5 times 5, you'll make 2,500. 500 times 10, you'll make 5,000. Does everybody understand that? That's what I like about this day trader challenge. But you do have a time limit: 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour. The link is in my description. ACAP. You can click on that link. You can use my discount code CFK12. The link is in the description. But you can I use the 8 hour. This is the one that I always do, the 8 hour challenge. That gives you enough time to be able to, hit, so you can be able to hit that profit target. So here's the drawdown. So you had a drawdown. The drawdown is $28. Then the profit target is $56 if you're doing the 2x. If you're doing and then you'll earn 1,000. So it shows you 28 drawdown, profit target 56. That's what you got to make, and then earn 1,000. If you go to 5, drawdown 20, profit target 69, earn 2,500. If you go to 10, drawdown 17, profit target $99, and then you'll earn 5,000. So that's how that works. This is the day trader challenge. If you don't want to go through these, go through the 2-phase and 1-phase, you can go through the day trader challenge. Make sure you click my link, and if you want to get a discount, put in that discount code CFK. Put in that discount code CFK12 again. So that's how the prop firms work. That's how the prop firms work. And you can pay. They just added on add-ons. So say for instance, for the 1-phase, they just added on add-ons. So say for instance, you can reset your they have an add-on. It's somewhere in here. See, but if I'm not mistaken, they have an add-ons. They just added the add-ons where you can reset your account, and then you can get paid faster. I gotta see what the add-ons at. Let me see. But yeah, they have the add-ons. Once you go through all of this, you'll see that it should see the add-ons. It's like you can get paid faster instead of going through 14 days or in this 3 days or 7 day payout. And they have add-ons, and you reset your account. They got insurance on there. There's something about insurance where you reset your account. So this is ACAP. I strongly suggest you, if you don't have the capital, to use this. You can go to the link in my description. Make sure you click that link. Make sure you use my discount code CFK12. So that's the one of the prop firms I use. Let's go. Let me see. Yeah, it went off here. We got like, what time? I'm gonna see. We got like 7 minutes left. Yeah, we got 6 minutes left. Let's see what it's gonna do. See what it's gonna do. What it's gonna hit for. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Any questions? Anybody have any questions? Any questions? We got 6 minutes. Well, yeah, we got 6 minutes till that news come. That's 6 minutes. Let's see what it's gonna hit for. We shall see. Are we gonna get a push to the upside, or it's gonna come down? Are we gonna get a push to the upside, or it's gonna come down? We shall see. I don't know. Only the markets. When you gotta let the market do what it's gonna do. The market's gonna do what it's gonna do. So we shall see. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Got 5 minutes left. We have 5 minutes left. NAS100 is still, let me see, NAS100. NAS100. Yeah, it's dropping. NAS100 is dropping. Yep, dropping. We on gold today though. We on gold. We are on gold. Again, we are on gold. No other pairs, we're on gold. You just gotta trust the process. Trust the process. Don't rush the process, trust the process. Again, don't rush the process, trust the process. Do not rush the process, trust the process. Give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my shares. Share this live with somebody that needs it. Got 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. We got 3 more minutes. It's about to go down, so we shall see. MYM sniper. That MYM is futures. That's US30. So MYM is US30. I do trade futures as well. I just started like a couple. When did I start? I started like a couple of months. If you watch my videos, you'll see that I passed 50K. I passed 100K. When did I start futures? I started like 2 months ago, if I'm not mistaken. No, yeah, like, well, 3 months ago. 3 months ago. So like 3 months ago. Futures 3 months ago. Past 50K, past 100K. It's all buying and selling. You just with futures, with futures, there it's contracts. That's the difference. Futures is contract, and then you got the I mean, the symbols are different. For US30s, MYM, like this, US30, and then and then gold is MGC, as you can see right now, sending the NPM trade command buy signal. That's MGC. Nasdaq is MNQ. Nasdaq is MNQ. So it's pretty much buying and selling. It's just the different contracts, different terms. I had to learn that. Cam, he started doing started futures on futures. I know you started futures, so it's different terms when it comes to futures. We got it's the news just happened. It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. So it's 10 o'clock. So let's see. Yeah, news already happened. Just gotta wait. See, we need that push up. We need that push up to the upside. Need that push up to the upside. Need that push up to the upside. The NPM trade command hasn't went off yet. So the NPM trade command has not went off yet. So you gotta wait and be patient when it comes to this. You have to be patient. You don't want to enter prematurely in these trades, in these markets. You don't want to enter prematurely in these markets. You enter prematurely in these markets, you're gonna get chopped up. And you don't want to get chopped up. We've all been there. I've been there. I've got chopped up entering prematurely. So you don't want to enter prematurely. It gotta be the right time. You gotta have good timing when it comes to this. That's why I wait. You wait for the NPM trade command, the NPM trade command buy, and then this lights up green. Everything aligns. It shows the bullish. This say buy. It shows the bullish. It shows green, green, green. It shows all green, and then it shows the entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3. Then it shows the confidence level, which is 100%. Should be 100%. It's gonna show the 100%. Everything aligns. It's go time. We on go mode, and this is on a 5 minute time frame. If it's doing this, it's not showing. We're not on go mode. We're sitting on our hands. We're being patient. We're trusting the process. Just Chazlo Holly just took a NAS100 at 29,560 for buy. I'm done for the day. Is it buying? Is it buying? Nasdaq is buying on the. Let's see. Is it buying? See monthly. Let's see the monthly. Monthly. We got a green candle. I'm gonna show you something, Holly. Weekly. We got a red candle. Daily. We got a red candle. Me personally, I'm gonna be honest with you, Holly. Chazel Holly, I wouldn't have took this trade for no buy. It all has the line. You have to look at the higher time frame. All has the line. When you look on the lower time frames, like the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minute, the 5 minute, it ain't gonna cut it. That ain't gonna cut it. That's why I have my NPM trade command dashboard where it shows the higher time frame candle, the monthly, weekly, and daily. They all have to align, all green. Higher time frame buys, all green. Higher time frame candle, monthly, weekly, and daily. If you're going for a sale, you said it was shooting up, but I wouldn't have took that trade. Me personally, I wouldn't have took that trade. But whatever floats, I mean, did you make profit? You made profit. If you made profit, that's good. But I wouldn't have took that trade. Me personally, I wouldn't have took that trade. Everybody trades different though. I wouldn't have taken that trade. Me personally, I would have waited. Cause what if you got to think about it this way? What if it would have went south on you? Then you would have been blew your account, lost, or if you not using proper risk minute or took the loss. So, but I go by a certain strategy. I go by a certain plan. So everybody is different. I encourage you to follow the. I mean, if you get in with me and you get this NPM trade command and you get in with me, you got to follow my plan. Yeah, you got to follow the plan. But you're right. I got to be more patient. You definitely got to be more patient. You're in that stage of fear of missing out. Like I gotta find a trade. I gotta get in a trade. I gotta find me a trade. I used to be like that. I gotta find a trade. Like I gotta be in every day. I gotta be in these markets every day. I gotta take a trade every day. I gotta give me some. I'm leaving with something. That's how I used to be. But then I had to change my whole mindset. Every trade. Let me explain this to y'all. And I want y'all to get this through y'all head, to get this through y'all skull. Every day is not a trading day. Let me repeat that. Every day is not a trading day. Again, every day is not a trading day. So you got to get that fear of missing out of your head. You got to get that fear of missing out of your head, because it's always going to be another day, or it's going to be another time that you can get in. So you live to fight another day instead of taking that loss or blowing your account, because every day is not a trading day. If it don't line with my strategy and my plan, I'm not getting in. And if it takes that whole day for me not to get in, so be it. I won't be in the trade. I just won't take a trade that day. And I'm cool with that. I'm fine. Because no trade is still being in a trade. Again, no trade is still trading. No trade is still trading. You're still trading. No trade is still trading. Because you gotta think with your mind. It's all about night trading is 90% psychology and 10% skill. So just think, if I gotta get in a trade, I gotta find a trade, your mind is programmed like where you have to be in a trade, when you have to program your mind to be okay with not taking a trade that day. If you don't align with your strategy or don't align with your plan. I had to program my mind that way. Does everybody understand that? Type a 1 in the chat. Give me my ones, give me my likes, give me my subscribe. You got to get to a place where you're at a calm. You have a calm mind. You're okay with not taking a trade that day, because it's always another day. It's always another opportunity that you can get in. If it don't align with my plan, it don't align with my strategy, I don't have to be in that trade. I don't have to enter prematurely. Gotta be poised when it comes to this. You gotta train your mind. You gotta train your mind to be poised. I'm at a place where I'm at peace because I trained my mind, programmed my mind to get to that. I wasn't always like this. I wasn't always like this. I used to be like, man, I gotta get in this trade. I gotta find me a trade. I gotta be in the trade every day. I gotta be in the trade every day. I'm leaving with something. I'm leaving with something. My mind was like that. Like, I gotta get in the trade. Fear of missing out. Now I don't even care if I don't get in the trade today or whatever. I'm cool. I'm cool. Wanna know why? Because it's better to be out of a trade than be in a trade that you don't want to be in. Again, it's better to be out of a trade than to be in a trade that you don't want to be in. Give me my ones. Give me my ones. If y'all understand it, give me my ones. I want to see some ones. Let me 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 see some ones. If y'all understand this, let me see some ones. I don't see no ones. I don't see no ones. So y'all understand this? What I'm explaining to y'all? Let me see some ones. If y'all understand this, what I'm telling y'all. I see a one. Cam, you understand this? Most definitely. Let me see something. The thing about this is when this candle, when the candle is like that, that's not good to even be trading on this. When it's doing this, you see this wick, you don't supposed to be trading on this candle. You are not supposed to be trading on this candle. And that's on the daily. That's where people mess up. They trying to trade on this candle. You don't even supposed to be on. Look at this. This a little candle. You are not supposed to be trading on this candle. This is a little candle. Look at this wick. This wick. Look at this. I don't trade on these candles. Like this candle, I wouldn't even be in this. I would be leaving. I'll leave that alone. Like that's me personally. Because I didn't been through this over and over again. Chart time. Gotta have that chart time. Gotta know when to get in, when not to get in. I wouldn't even be messing with that. I'd be leaving NASDAQ alone. So, me personally, I'd be leaving NASDAQ alone. That's just me. If you already in trades, like say for instance, if you already trade or whatever, you have been running, you just let it run. It's either gonna hit your TP or stop loss. But if I'm taking a trade today, taking trades today, I wouldn't take no trade on that. Because you gotta enter at the right time. You have to enter at the right time. You have to enter at the right time. And gold is I've been on here for this long. Normally I would have been off by I'll be way low, but let's see if we can catch something though. Let's see if we can catch something. If we can't, we just ain't gonna be able. We just ain't gonna catch nothing, and it's cool. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, you see this? This is another candle. Let me explain something to y'all. See, it's doing the same thing. You saw what we was talking about on NAS100. What we was talking about NAS100. See this little candle? Wouldn't even be messing with this. That's why I ain't even touched it yet. You gotta. Yeah, I like these. I like these. I don't like these. I 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 don't like these. I don't like these. I don't like these. I like candles like these. I like candles like these. These. So you gotta patiently wait. Gotta be patiently wait. Trust the process. Gotta patiently wait. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Also, follow me on Facebook and TikTok. The link is my link is in the bio. You can go to the link in the bio. The link is in the bio, and I have all my social media there. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Subscribe to the YouTube. The link is in the bio. It's gonna be at the top. You click that link, and you'll have all my social. It's gonna say link tree. It's gonna say link tree. You click that link, and you'll see all my social. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Telegram, even has the Telegram. See, it's saying MGC trade could be buy. See, I can't get on it on here because I'm on ACAP. I'm gonna have to go on something else. I'm gonna have to go on make another tab because I can't get on it. I'm on my ACAP account, so can't get on it. I have to get on another one, another tab. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. We'll wait till that load up. Any questions? Anybody have any questions? Again, if you want the NPM trade command, I'm doing a deal. Get NPM trade command dashboard, the monthly. You get access to NPM Academy. That's usually monthly, free. NPM VIP Telegram. That's usually monthly. You get that free when you on this live. So if you sign up on this live and you get just the NPM trade command dashboard, you get NPM Academy, where you'll learn my strategy. I'll mentor you. I'll coach you through the process. I'll do live sessions. So if you have questions, you can hit me up. Tell them, Cam, if they get the NPM trade command dashboard, it has to be before this. It has to be, if this live ends, you don't get that deal. If this live ends, you don't get that deal. So you can get it during this live. When I end this live, you're not gonna get that deal. So you get NPM Trade Command Dashboard. When you get NPM Trade Command Dashboard, you get access, free access to my NPM Academy, normally monthly, free. And you get NPM VIP Telegram signals, normally monthly, free. So you're getting a steal. You get my mentor. You getting the NPM Trade Command Dashboard, where it gives you the entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3. It shows the higher time frame buys, higher time frame candle. It gives you signals. It's gonna send you signals right here. Send you signals. If you have it on your phone, you'll get signals on your phone. I'll help you set up that as well. And you get my NPM Academy, where I do live sessions. Where if you have any questions, you can join Tuesdays and Thursdays. Today is Tuesday, so we got today is Tuesday, so yeah, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central, or 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern. 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern. So that's 6 p.m. Central to 7. It's gonna be from 6 p.m. Central to 7 p.m. Central. And for Eastern, which I'm on Eastern now, 7 p.m. Eastern to 8 p.m. Eastern. Does everybody understand that? Does everybody understand that? Also, you'll get videos of me, recorded videos of me teaching others as well. You get recorded videos. It's like I got like I got like, how many videos I got? I got like over, I think 30 to 50 videos. If I'm not, yeah, 30, 50 videos of me teaching other people that's recorded. So you can watch that anytime. Once I send those videos, or you can go, in the Telegram, it's gonna be under the files in the Telegram. It's gonna be under the files. So you're gonna go to my Telegram. It's a private. Once you sign up, if you get the NPM Trade Command Dashboard, I'll send you the link to the NPM Academy. Send you the link to the NPM VIP Telegram signals, and you can go in and you can go to the go where it's gonna say media, and you'll see or I'll send you. I normally send it to your I'll send you the videos that you need to watch. And you get a Zoom with me. So when you sign up for the NPM Trade Command Dashboard, you get a free Zoom with me. We'll go over everything, get you situated. I'll show you how to set up the alerts. I'm here for you. You just got to take that leap of faith. Step into greatness. You got to step into greatness. You got to step into what God has in store for you. You got to step into greatness. You got to step into what God has for you. So what God has for you is for you. You just got to step into it. So when you get this NPM Trade Command Dashboard, this lights up green or lights up red, you get access to the NPM Academy normally, monthly, and NPM VIP Telegram normally, monthly, free. So you either step into greatness or you miss out on what God has in store for you. So that's on you. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's see, what is it's 10:23. 10:23. 1023. It's like no. I mean, it's good now. So I can do the go to the see about the futures. And anybody, are y'all learning today? Y'all learning? Again, like I said, you don't miss out on this. If you miss out, that's on you. I'm just here to give you the information that you need. I'm here to spread the information, give you the information that you need. I'm here to help you. I work for God. Again, I work for God. And I'll be obedient to him. I'm just being obedient to what he tells me to do. So hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Give me my likes, give me my comments, give me my subscribe. So we haven't got a signal yet. We haven't got a signal yet. We haven't received a signal yet. Let me see. Haven't received a signal yet. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let me see something. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Anybody have any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Like I said, when I end this live, it's over. It's over. This deal is over with. Once I end this live, it's over with. So I strongly suggest you to get in while I end this live. Strongly suggest you to get in or miss out. Is he going? Let me see. I thought this was loading up. I thought it was loading up. So looks like we don't see nothing. We don't see nothing. So I'm probably about to end this. Missed out on the sale, so y'all miss out. So if you have any questions, you can always DM me. Again, if you have any questions, you can always DM me. If you want to get the broker that I use, the link is in the description. It's the first two links. If you want to get the broker that I use, it's the first two links. When you go to in the description, you're gonna see it's the first two links. The broker that I use, it's the first two links, and then the prop firms. I strongly suggest you to get ACAP. That's the link is in there. Use the discount code CFK12. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join NPM Trade Room for more updates. As always, faith, discipline, freedom. This is Charell, the Forex King. Let's go.